how to use the MGPILOT custom feature. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's find and select the car icon located at the bottom of the screen. Now let's use the fourth option, which is the MGPILOT. And as you can see here, the first option is MGPILOT Custom. Let's read the instructions and information about this feature. So this feature allows you to quickly apply your favorite MGPILOT settings with the one button press. First, set the MGPILOT settings to your requirements. Once this is complete, simply press and hold the MGPILOT Custom button until it turns blue. Your settings are now saved. When you want to apply your settings in the future, simply press the MGPILOT Custom button. The MGPILOT custom button can also be accessed in a quick menu by swapping down the top of the screen. So as you can see, let me, for example, customize those settings. For example, let me disable the audible warning and let me disable the driver fatigue monitor. As you can see right here, tap confirm, and also maybe let me disable the driver distractions monitor. All right. Let's assume that I don't need them. So now let me save this to MGPILOT Custom. Let's just here hold this button. It is saved successfully. So now from any screen, all I need to do is use the upper menu. And here I can find the MGPILOT Custom and I can tap it. And I will apply the MGPILOT Custom features. So now if I press here the vehicle, MGPILOT, as you can see, I've got my customization from the following feature. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.